Hi everybody, welcome back to my Hamster Drink Salon, and this is a food review. I know, I'm out there, but I found this, and I thought it'd be interesting. Look at that, Jumpin' Jack cheese, baby. About 3 servings per container, 12 chips per serving. So I gotta muscle through at least 12. Calories, 150 per serving. And total fat, 8 grams. Saturated, 1 gram. You're looking at 0 cholesterol, 190 milligrams of sodium, 17 grams of carbs, dietary grams, 1 gram. Total grams, total sugar is less than 1 gram. Yeah. Corn, vegetable oil, canola, maltodextrin made from corn. Salt, whey, cheddar cheese, all that fun jazz. Plano, Texas, Frito-Lay. Doritos for more bold experience. It smells like tortillas. I mean like tortilla chips. It doesn't really smell like anything else. Looks like a tortilla chip. Nice. It's a relaxing, mild flavor. Get a little bit of the cheddar. I like that. And there's a... Is there heat? Or is it just the flavor in the back of my tongue? Maybe just the flavor in the back of my tongue. It's a nice, simple flavor. It's a nice chip. Kind of a... Yeah. It's a nice cheese flavor. Nice, let's see what kind of cheese. It just says cheddar cheese. Monterey Jack, sour cream. That's what I was getting. Garlic powder, Swiss cheese. Oh, wow. Yeah, no. I can... Jalapeno peppers. It's not just me. It has actually got a little heat in it. Not much. Not bad. Yeah. Yeah, not bad at all. Tomato powder. Yeah. Onion powder. I can taste that. The onion for sure. The garlic. Not bad. Yeah, this is good. These are really good. Until they turn a date or the snacks on us. I don't know that it's fresh. I'm sorry. It's one of the reasons why I'm not a big fan of food videos. It's like I want to be like right here and be like, it tastes good. It is. Because people, you know, I'm not going to eat like a twiddling tentacle or something, but still, when you're talking and something just kind of just goes, you know, bleh, I feel bad. I don't know how many this is. I like it. I do. I'm going to say this is 12. Good flavor all around. And the jalapeno is right there in the background. Low level. And, but it gives a nice taste to it. Remember I mentioned that the nacho cheese ones, no, the the cheddar cheese regulars. Those would be good for like a taco salad or something. These two, if you want a little bit of heat with it, go with these. Mwah. Oh, these are good. Anyway. Sorry. I hope you're all doing well. I hope you've enjoyed this. I hope you try this. That's the first time I've seen it. I saw this white Doritos bag and I was like, what? So, anyway, as always, oh, I gotta grade this, don't I? We'll give it a 4. I'll give it a 4, and I will give this a 8. Yes, I'll give it an 8. This is a good chip. I think that this is delicious. I might even try these again, or buy these and show other people and be like, here, try these. As always, I am Sir Drinks a Lot, and I bring you health, wealth, and love with enough time and gusto to enjoy it all, down to the last drop. Catch you guys later. Bye.